Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a product review for you. Do you want to see what this is all about? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I have a product review. A company had reached out to me and asked if I would be willing to test out their product, review their product, show you guys their product. And I looked at the product and I'm like, you know what? That seems very interesting because of what it is. This is what it is right here. This is from Qualitell Technology, and they are a team of experienced designers and technicians who aim at making high quality and innovative products to improve people's living standards. This is their very first brand new launch of this guy right here, which is the white noise speaker with wireless charger. This is the very first machine that provides both Bluetooth speaker and wireless charging functions. This is a game changer, you guys. So now with me in my situation at night, I like to hear something while I'm falling asleep. It helps me sleep. But if I leave the TV on, then I have the flashing of the lights, which kind of gives me a headache. Or if I'm hearing what's going on the show, I kind of relate it to things in my head, and sometimes my mind wanders more, or I think of different things that I really shouldn't be because I should be trying to sleep, which I don't get a whole lot of. So needless to say, when I read about this, I'm like, you know what, that seems like a really neat thing. I definitely want to try that out. So I went ahead and removed the plastic wrap right before I hit record to make it a little bit easier and get the glare off of it. But they were kind enough to send me, see the glare? Send me two of them. One is for me and one of them is for you. So if you would like to watch this video and if you're interested in it and you would like to win one for yourself, I will let you know at the very end how one lucky winner will win one of these that I will be sending. So let's go ahead and get into this. So you have your user manual on the top. This looks like this would be the device right here, and there is an actual USB charger on the bottom. So then I wonder if this stays charged. See, I thought you were gonna have to like leave it plugged in all the time, but it seems like it would stay, because it says something about a long-lasting battery, and I'm like, long-lasting battery? They do have this little silicone thing you can put on the top to help so your phone doesn't slide off and it stays nice and put. And there is a silicone on the bottom for the feet so it doesn't slide off of wherever you're putting it, if your nightstand, your desk, or whichever. And this is very mobile, portable. So if it does stay charged, you can take this with you anywhere. So even if you were sitting outside and you have a little fire going, you can have this go and have like the cricket sounding going, or like the water sounds going. There's 7 different functions. It's rain, wind, forest, wave, birds, and there's a word like cicadas. I'm not quite sure, but to me, it would be kind of like a cricket type like sound, I would think, but I'm not sure. Once we turn it on, we'll see. And then there's a brook. So there's 7 non-looping white noise sounds. Masks unwanted noise, improves your sleep quality, helps you relax and focus. So that I think a lot of us probably need, including myself. There's also a wireless Bluetooth speaker. So you can pair it with any type of tablet, mobile device, and you can use this like a speaker through your phone. So if you want to play your own music or you want to do your own thing, you can do that as well. Wake up full of energy, and your phone can too. You can set your phone here and it'll wirelessly charge. Now, this has the Astonishing Sounds, breathtaking stereo sound with deep bass is delivered with exceptional clarity and zero distortion by 2 high sensitivity drivers and a patent-based port. So what is white noise, you might be asking? White noise is a random signal having equal intensity at different frequencies, giving it a constant power spectral density. Sounds like bird songs, the wind blowing through trees, and other nature-like sounds. It's a sleep aid, and relaxing sounds can help you fall asleep and leave stress, especially for infants and those who have insomnia. So that sounds amazing, especially if you do need something for your little one to help sleep, or if you do have insomnia or anything like that, or you are like me and you want to hear something when you sleep. this might be the idea for you. Or like I said, you can use this just as a Bluetooth speaker as well, and it is a charger wirelessly. So that is amazing. Right now, this on Amazon, because that's where you would purchase this from, and I will link that down below. This is $49.99 with free shipping. And the features for this guy, there's an on and off function with a timer built in as well. There's touch controls to adjust the volume, play, and pause. The silicone base, slip resistant, silicone slip resistant for the bottom as well. And it's Bluetooth. It has a built-in 20-watt high power amplifier, 52 millimeter full frequency professional speaker, 360-degree surround stereo sound, providing a perfect listening experience. So let's go ahead and see. Okay, so back here, there's off, there's on, there's 0.5 hour and 1 hour. So if you wanted to just put this over, that'd be like a half an hour or an hour, and it will shut off after that. So let's turn this to on. And it's on. On the side, here is the on. There's up and down, so I'm assuming that is for the volume. Let's get this on. Let's see how we do this here. Without reading the manual, let's see how we do this. Okay, so right now, the blinking light is because it's trying to pair. The dial is set to the Bluetooth function right now. So right now, if you had any pairing device, you can pair it and you can play whatever you would like. But let's go ahead and try these sounds, shall we? So let's see here. That's the volume. There's the pause. So this circle button is for a pause. That beep, I guess, means you're at your full capacity, but there's your water. This would be rain. And I don't know about you guys, but I can listen to rain all night long. This would be wind. You heard it pick up? That's so cool because it's like fluctuating, like higher, lower, higher and lower. That's so cool. Waves. That's so calming. You can close your eyes and you can feel like you're at the ocean. That is really neat. Okay, so forest. And that to me, even if like on like a spring day, if I have the windows open and I'm cleaning or whatever, that would be really nice to hear, just because it just reminds me of like a spring afternoon. Like you wouldn't have to just listen to them at night, but it would be something nice, even if you have company over and you want the little chirping going on in the background because it's during the day, just to give that whole little ambiance scenery. Like now let's go to birds. How pretty. And it sounds like the birds are talking to each other. Like one's closer and some are farther. How neat. Now this will be that bug one. I don't know how you say it, but I feel like I'm in the forest or the woods. Now we're back on the Bluetooth. So there is the complete dial, and all you do is just turn the dial, and then you have your push functions on the side for the up and the down and the pause. Again, you can do the Bluetooth, and then you have the wireless charger right on top. I think this is a really neat product, you guys. Like, what do you think? And then it has the timer on the back. Okay, you guys, so I wanted to give you an update regarding this really neat device here now that I was able to actually use it over the last few days. Now, this, I do gotta tell you, when you have that sitting on top, your phone will still charge through it. I thought maybe it wouldn't because it's like a silicone, it makes it thicker, it won't get as good contact. No, it does charge right through this silicone backing. Right now, this is on, so if I were to turn it on, there's my wind. So this does stay charged for a while because I've used this the last few nights and I've turned it on the timer and it still has a battery life. Like, I don't even have to recharge this just yet. So the battery does stay long without it, but if you do want to charge your phone, you will need to plug it up to the wall. Once it's plugged up to the wall, it will charge my phone. No problem, I don't have to move it around, try to figure it. My phone fits right on top of this, right in the middle, and starts charging instantly. It will need to be plugged into the wall if you want to use it as a actual charger. Now, I did also go to the Bluetooth mode. I hooked it up to my phone and I played music through it. The speaker doesn't get really, really loud. If you're wanting something subtle to sit like on your desk or your nightstand, it's perfect. But if you're wanting to like rock out, hear bass, hear something really good while you're cleaning or doing something, then this is definitely not going to give you the volume that you need. But for what this device does, I think the volume is perfect for it because you don't want this to be very loud. It's meant to be serene, calming, just low key. That's what this is designed to, and that is exactly what it does, and it does a very good job at it. So if you did want to listen to your own through the Bluetooth, it just doesn't have a huge high volume capacity in this, which again, it's fine. I just wanted to test it, go as high as I could just to see. You can hear it very clear, but this isn't designed to be like a huge speaker to be blowing things out, to be hearing things very loud. So now the first night I went ahead and I chose the rain because it's very calming for me to hear rain. When it's raining at night, I love to just cuddle up, just hear the rain. I love that. So the first night I put on the rain, and you guys, I actually fell asleep quicker than normal. I'm like, is this a fluke? Was I just really, really tired? Because I normally don't get a whole lot of sleep. So I wanted to do it a few different nights. So the next night and last night, both, I did the wind. My man was like, I like the sound of the wind better. So that's why it's on the wind right now, because that's what I've been listening to. And it's really cool because you hear the constant wind, and then every now and then you hear like a big gush pick up. It sounds like you are literally hearing the wind blowing outside. And I really like this thing. I even did have a migraine, so I laid down for a little bit to try to get a little nap in, and I was laying there tossing and turning, and I'm like, I really wish I could just fall asleep, because sometimes me getting sleep will get my headache to go away or my migraine. So I was trying to go to sleep and my mind was wandering, and I'm like, let me turn on some wind. So I turned on some wind, I put it on for an hour, and I knocked out for a couple hours. I'm like, whoa, I woke up like, whoa, what just happened? I really needed the sleep, but this definitely helps because I'm hearing a calming versus like words, and I'm putting things together and relating it to things in my own head, and then my mind starts wandering. So I really do appreciate this device. So thank you so much for sending this to me. I'm really glad that I have this. It fits perfectly on my nightstand. It's very nice and compact, and I do like to hear these sounds while I sleep, and it was proven the last 3 nights. I did go to sleep earlier than normal, and I didn't have all this stuff running through my mind like I normally do. So that's my own personal experience. It doesn't mean that everyone is gonna have the same experience, but that is what I honestly did encounter when I had this on. This would also make a very good gift idea if you know somebody who has trouble sleeping, or if you have an infant or a toddler in the house and you want them to hear something calming to go to sleep. This is an amazing product, and it's multifunctional, because then again, you can turn it on the Bluetooth and you can play your own things through it as well. So I do like that this is a multifunction. It's not just the serene, scenic sounds. It's also a charger and a Bluetooth. I'm so glad that I was able to try it. I didn't want to just show you, hey, this is what it is, this is what it sounds like, and be done. I wanted to literally play with it, have it play at night, see how I sleep, see what it does, if it does help me, and it actually did. I am so glad that they sent me this to review to show you guys, because I definitely am going to be using this product at night. If you want to check them out, by all means, their link will be down below. You can definitely go check them out for yourself. So you guys, comment down below, what do you think? Let me know what your thoughts are on this. I think it's a really neat technology, especially like I said, with the wireless charger, the Bluetooth capability, and the 7 different sounds that you can choose whichever. I like that there is a timer, so you can set it for the hour if you want. Go to sleep. When you wake up, you won't have it on. It saves the battery, and it's very functional. It's very nice, compact, sleek. I like the design, the colors. I like the concept. So I'm really glad that they sent this to me. So thank you so much for sending me this and sending me one for one of my viewers. I can't forget about that. So if you do like this product and you would like to win one for yourself, this is all you need to do. Just like all of my giveaways, I make them as simple as I can. So A, you must be subscribed to my channel. That is why I do my giveaways, to show my appreciation to the ones that are actively and positively supporting my channel. So you must be subscribed to my channel. You must like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and you must leave one comment down below. In that comment, you must put the words "enter me," so then I know that you do want to be entered into this giveaway. If you're just leaving a comment just to be supportive, then just put whatever you would like. Just don't use the words "enter me" unless you do want to be entered into the giveaway. I will go ahead and run this for 2 weeks. At the end of the 2 weeks, I will use a random comment picker to choose it. So that's why you must say "enter me," because I'm going to put that in for one of the keywords for it to search. And then you could be the winner. At that time, once it chooses, I will make sure that you do have the words "enter me," obviously, and I will comment back to your comment. Then you have 48 hours to respond back to me to claim it. If you do not respond within 48 hours, I will have to revoke your entry and choose another winner. Rules are rules. I hate to do it, but I have to do it because rules are rules. So I will comment back to your comment. If you don't respond back within 48 hours, then I will have to choose another winner. The new winner has the same rules apply. You'll have 48 hours to enter or to respond to claim your prize, and so on and so forth, until I have a confirmed win. The only other rules are you must be over the age of 18 or have a legal parent or guardian or somebody over the age of 18 enter in for you, and you must have a United States shipping address. I don't care where you live, as long as I will be shipping it to the United States. That's it. Be subscribed, like, comment, put the words "enter me," US residents, be over the age of 18, and this could be yours. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this review. Thank you again for sending me this product, for one for me and one for one of my viewers. I greatly appreciate that. They didn't have to send me 2, and they did, and I really do appreciate it, because now one of you guys can enjoy this just as much as I will be. So that is everything that I have for you today. Again, their link will be down below. You can definitely check them out and comment down below and let me know what you think of this product, you guys. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly appreciate it. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and then you will be entered into this giveaway and any other ones that I do have, because I do like to show my appreciation quite often. So thank you guys so much for tuning in, and you know that drill. Until next time, keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.